Yeah, actually, GATE has been a member of BDVA for already a number of years, and we have seen how GATE has been evolving over the years, integrating itself and the whole team in the different activities at the European level, and really year after year we have seen the evolution. And I think GATE has really created a very solid local ecosystem, and is bringing data innovation and AI innovation to that ecosystem. Thanks a lot also to the collaborations that GATE is creating at the European level. It's quite impressive that with only 5 years, you already have the silver label.
Could you explain what the silver iSpace status means and what are the necessary steps to achieve gold and platinum iSpace?
Of course. So the label was a recognition that the community created already 10 years ago. Actually, the first iSpaces were recognized in 2015. And it was a way to recognize, saying towards data innovation and organizations able to create an ecosystem around data innovation. The label really measures a balanced distribution of aspects in the organization, like access to infrastructure, computing and data infrastructure, many aspects related to security, trust, and technological aspects. Also the services that are offered to the community. Also assess the diversity of the community itself, what we call the ecosystem. Also the variety of projects that are developed with that community. We also look after the sustainability aspects and the federation. That means collaboration with other institutions similar to yours. And finally, we put a lot of emphasis as well on what we call the data ethics. And we have different labels. We have bronze, silver, gold, and then platinum. And the silver actually means that you have a very good distribution, very good in the evaluation, you got very good marks, let's say, in all the different pillars, meaning that you are already quite a mature iSpace. So already, again, quite impressive that in 5 years you have reached this point. To get to gold and to platinum, first to gold is just to evolve a bit more in all these areas. So to grow in infrastructure, to grow in ecosystem, to grow in projects, so to grow, keep growing on all these areas. And to get the platinum, what really is needed is that your center federates, not only collaborates, but federates from the governance, technical and business perspective with the rest of the iSpaces part of the community.
And how many hubs in Europe have iSpace labels so far?
So as per today, we have 31 hubs that are labeled as iSpaces in many different countries in Europe. You are the first one in Bulgaria.
How do you see the place of GATE iSpace on the overall map of the iSpaces in Europe in future?
I think you have a lot of potential because we have already been collaborating over the years. You have been collaborating with many organizations in BDVA and you are very committed and very active. And those things, and you have a fantastic group of professionals as well. And I think those are the right ingredients, really, to be active in the European communities, to be very committed and really deliver what is expected. And finally building these collaborations with the other iSpaces. I think you have a great future in this community.